Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Drive to organize investment property files. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Google Drive for organizing your investment property files, start by logging into your Google Drive account. Once you're logged in, locate the plus new button on the left side of the page. Click on the plus new button to create a new folder. In the drop-down menu, select Folder. A small dialog box will appear prompting you to name your folder. Enter a clear and descriptive name, such as Investment Properties. Click on Create to generate the new folder. Now, navigate into the folder by double-clicking on it. To organize your files further, consider creating subfolders for each property. Repeat the steps of clicking plus new, then selecting folder to create these subfolders. Name each subfolder after the specific investment property. Once your subfolders are ready, you can begin uploading files. To upload files, click on the plus new button again. This time, select File Upload. Browse your computer for the files you want to add, such as purchase agreements or lease agreements. Select the desired files and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete before continuing. If you want to upload entire folders, use the Folder Upload option instead. Select your property folder from your computer and click Upload. To easily access shared documents, consider using the Share feature. Right-click on the specific file or folder you want to share. Choose Share from the context menu. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Set their permissions by selecting either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click Send to share the files. For added organization, use color coding for your folders. Right-click on a folder, select Change Color, and choose your preferred color. To access your files easily, use the search bar at the top to search for specific documents. You can also use the Priority section in Google Drive to highlight important files. For long-term organization, regularly review and update your folders and files. This will help you maintain an orderly digital space for your investment property documents. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and organize your investment property files using Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.